Welcome to this exam series. Today I want us to solve a question. This question is based on a topic called Quadratic Inequalities. So without wasting time, let me read the question out. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. Now I want to give you a question like this, okay? The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to factorize this, okay? So let me get the word for you. You're going to factorize the expression. I want to believe that every one of us can factorize, but if you can't, I have a video for you. So when you get there, you understand more, okay? So I want to factorize this, and when you factorize this, you're going to have x plus 2 and x plus 3. Do you understand? Greater than 0. So if you factorize, you have this. Do you understand? So, but if you don't understand how I did this, there's a video ready for you on factorization. Now, once you do this, the next thing you're going to do is this. You're going to get this word assume. You got the word assume. While some people, they got the word let. So anyone is good, but I prefer assume. Okay. So assume that x plus 2, which is this expression, and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Do you understand this? So we solve this. Let's say this first one. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So when you solve this, this number will come out. So what we're going to have is x is equal to minus 2. And the second one, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So when this one comes out, we're going to have x is equal to what? Minus 3. The next thing we're going to do is that we're going to draw a number line, okay? Draw a number line. So when you draw the number line, these answers, you're going to mark them in their order. So in that order, minus 3 will come here, and minus 2 will come here. Do you understand? And this will be your x. So this is the way we're going to arrange it. I'm sure you know that minus 3 will come to the left, and minus 2 will come to the right here on the number line. So after that, you're going to draw something. You're going to draw a tall line. You draw a tall line on that minus 3 and a tall line on that minus 2. You can see what I did my own. You draw a tall line on minus 3, you draw a tall line minus 2. Why are you doing that? Well, I'm doing that because I want to write something now. It's called interval. So for this side, my interval is x less than minus 3. You can see anything on this side is less than minus 3. What about this side? X is greater than minus 2. So anything on this side is greater than what? Minus 2. But this side are in between, right? So that is minus 3 is less than x is less than minus 2. So you can see what I did. So after doing this, you're going to do something next. It's called the table of variation. And remember, when we say variation, we mean variation in sign. In sign, okay? Not variation as in numbers. It's variation in sign, whether it's negative or positive. Do you understand? Okay? So let me do that table now. So for that table, you're going to draw something. So watch. I'm going to draw this. And make sure that you leave some space here. I have my reasons. Leave some space here. So let's get it out. So what am I going to write out? These intervals, okay? So let me start with the first one. X is less than minus 3. The next one is minus 3 is less than x is less than minus 2. And the last one is what? X is greater than what? Minus 2. So you're going to draw a line here. Do you understand? Now after doing that, okay, now you're going to, you will notice that from the question, they give us a product, then it's greater than 0. So this product here, I'm going to write it here. I'm going to write it here, x plus 2, and I'm going to write x plus 3. And according to what is here, we have to multiply them, right? So then multiply them. So that will be x plus 2 times x plus 3. Do you understand that? Okay. All right. So now, when you now do that, when you do that, you can draw a line here like this. So now, let's pick any number that is less than minus 3. Any number. So let me pick a number like minus 5. Because minus 5 is less than minus 3, it's obvious, right? So, okay, let's do that now. So now for this one, I think we have a very good number. So what about this one? Now pick a number that is in between minus 3 and minus 2. Now, if you don't know how to do that, you can use a number line. So let me draw a number line for you, okay? So in a number line, I have minus 3 here, and I have what? Minus 2. So a number between this is a number like minus 2.5. Can you see? I think if you draw a number line, it should be easy for you to see. So minus 2.5. So I'll just come here. I'm going to write what? Minus 2.5. And the last one is what? Any number that is more than minus 2. So I can try a number like 1. Okay. So let's do it now. So this number is minus 5, right? Oh yeah. Replace x with minus 5. That will give you minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. I don't need the minus 3. I need the sign. The sign is negative. Do you understand? Okay. Then do the same thing here. Replace x with minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 will give minus 2. I don't need the answer. I need the sign. So minus 2. Just pick negative sign. Do you understand that? Okay, let me do that again so that we get it clearly. So if you replace x with minus 5 here, what do you have? Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 will give you what? Minus 3. So what will you do? Just pick the sign. That's all. That's what I did here, okay? Now, let's leave that out. So let's take the second part. Minus 2.5. So put minus 2.5 here. Minus 2.5 plus 2. That will give you a negative answer. Then minus 2.5 plus 3. That will give you a positive answer. Finally, let's pick 1. If you put 1 here, 1 plus 2, that will give you a positive answer. Can you see that? Okay. The 1 plus 3, that will give you a positive answer. I think now we can multiply because this last row says that we should multiply this things. So minus times minus will give you plus. Minus times plus will give you what? Minus. And finally, plus times plus will give you what? Plus. Can you see that? Oh, okay. Now, we are done. So let me pick out the answer. If you notice very well, from the question, they said that after we multiply, the answer should be greater than 0. And in mathematics, when something is greater than 0, it means that that thing has a positive sign. So if I want something greater than 0, I'm going to pick where I have a positive sign. So I have a positive sign here, and I have a positive sign here. That means the answer is x less than minus 3, which is this top thing, comma, x greater than minus 2, which is this top thing here. And that's all done, okay? Don't forget, once you see greater than 0, pick the positive sign, and that's it. But let me show you a simple trick in case you're doing it next time. You will notice that this sign here is positive, I mean the first sign. Now, you don't have to do others. Once you do this first sign, guess what you're going to do? Just switch the sign. So watch me, just watch. What's the first sign? Positive. Oh yeah, switch the sign. It will become negative. Oh yeah, switch it again. It will become positive. So once you get the first sign, just be switching. So positive will become negative and negative will become positive. So you only need one sign. So once you see the first sign, just keep on switching the sign and others will come out, okay? That's it. Let me ask you a question. What if the first sign was maybe negative? What will be the next sign? That will be positive. The next sign will be negative. Can you see that? But if the first sign is positive, the next one will be negative, the next one will be positive. So that should be faster instead of you doing everything all at once. So just do one and others will come out. I think that's clear enough. So thank you and bye.